Welcome to the deep dive. So you asked us to dig into this Rejuvacare FootRenew Massager. It's being pushed as this, high-tech answer for foot pain, circulation issues, nerve stuff. We've looked at the sources you sent. The big question really is this legit or just, overhyped wellness tech?
Yeah, and our job here is to kind of cut through all that flashy marketing, weigh the claims against what people are actually experiencing, and crucially, look at the financial side, the risks involved.
Because the marketing is definitely bold.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
The sources point out phrases like surgical-grade nerve repair
Yeah.
and even breakthrough treatment for neuropathy. That's serious language.
Very serious. Borrowing from the operating room definitely sets a high bar. Okay, so what's the actual evidence say? Our listeners' research mentioned it does give some temporary relief.
It does for some,
Yeah.
but that seems to come down to pretty standard features. Heat, basic mechanical massage, nothing revolutionary.
Right, just the basics.
Exactly. So those really big claims, we kind of have to set those aside right away. What's really striking is the lack of, any real scientific backing. No clinical trials mentioned in the sources that support these surgical-grade ideas.
Huh.
And it looks like this kind of strong language is maybe a tactic used in direct-to-consumer health gadgets to really drive sales.
So it sounds high-tech, but the actual quality doesn't match the hype.
Precisely. That's a key takeaway for you.
Hmm.
Just because it sounds advanced doesn't mean it is, especially compared to the promises they make.
Okay, so if the product itself is basically, like you said, a glorified foot warmer, what happens when people figure that out? Let's talk about the business side of things, because the sources flag some pretty serious issues there, too.
Right. This is where it gets concerning, beyond just whether the product works well. We're not just seeing complaints about the device maybe feeling cheap or breaking. The really worrying stuff is about money. Deceptive billing, for example.
Deceptive billing, how so?
People reporting, unauthorized charges just showing up, recurring fees they never agreed to.
Wow. Okay. But what about the guarantee? They advertise a 90-day money-back guarantee, right? Shouldn't that protect people?
You'd think so.
Yeah.
But that guarantee seems, pretty difficult to actually use. The sources are full of reports saying getting a refund is almost impossible.
Why? What's the catch?
It seems to be a combination of things. Vague policy wording, customer service that just doesn't respond, and here's a big one. You, the buyer, have to pay for return shipping.
Ah.
And apparently that cost can be deliberately high. So high, it basically cancels out the refund promise altogether. It's like they've weaponized the return cost.
Okay, let me try and summarize this. We've got marketing, using serious medical terms it can't back up, high-pressure sales tactics probably involved, and then behind it all, a company with reports of iffy billing and making returns incredibly difficult, maybe impossible.
Exactly. The Rejuvacare FootRenew, based on these sources, really lands in that gray area.
Yeah.
It's an overhyped wellness product, might give you a little temporary comfort like a decent foot rub, but it potentially exposes you to real financial risk and a lot of frustration.
So not the breakthrough cure it claims to be.
Definitely not. For anyone dealing with chronic foot pain or diagnosed neuropathy, the advice from the sources is clear. Talk to a doctor or, look for products from reputable companies, ones that are transparent and have actual clinical vetting behind them.
That seems like solid advice, especially with those financial traps you mentioned. It really brings up a tough question for you, the listener, doesn't it? How do you balance that hope, that desire for a quick fix, against the need to really research a company? Check their track record financially and with customer service before you hit buy.
Yeah, something to think about.
Definitely something to mull over. We'll catch you on the next deep dive.